Hey man, don't call me for the best prices. Period. Do not call me for the best prices. I don't have the best prices. I got the best work in the city. Don't call me because you think I'm the cheapest. Don't call me because you know me. You think I'm going to work with you the most, because I'm not. Swear to God. I don't have the best price. I don't have the best price. I do negotiate. I do look out. I do help out. Do not call me for the best price. If you got other estimates, get your other estimates first. Get your other estimates, and if you like how they go with them. But if you need the best work, then reach out to me. That's it.